Okay, good morning. We are back again. Now we'll start the video session for class 8. Okay, first topic is rational numbers. Now, what is the definition of rational numbers? First of all, understand it. A number which is in the form of p by q is called as a rational number, but the condition is that p and q are integers. Okay, p and q should be integer values and q should not be equal to 0. Why q should not be equal to 0? Because q is in denominator, and if the denominator value becomes 0, the whole number turns to infinity, because anything upon 0 is what? Infinity. Okay, so some of the examples of rational number are 3 upon 7, minus 7 upon 8, minus 3 upon minus 4, and 8 upon minus 9. These are the few examples of rational numbers. Now you can see that all these examples are in the form of p by q. Okay, and the value of p and q are in integer values. Okay, like you can see 3, minus 7, minus 3, 8 in the numerator are all integer values. Now check the denominator, 7, 8, minus 4, minus 9, these all are also integer values. Now what do you mean by integers? All the positive whole numbers, negative whole numbers along with 0 are called as integers. Okay, so this is the definition of rational numbers. So we will see one example. For example, this is your rational number 3 upon 7. Okay, now this number is in the form of p by q, no doubt, and this 3 in the numerator and 7 in the denominator are both integer values. अभी इंटीजर वैल्यूज क्या होता है? सपोज दिस इज योर नंबर लाइन, यहाँ पे आपका 0 है, सो इधर सारे पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज होते हैं, पॉजिटिव होल नंबर्स. ओके, positive whole numbers, and on this side there will be negative whole numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, so any value from this should be there of p by q. Okay, इसमें से कोई भी वैल्यू आप p by q के लिए रख सकते हो. सिर्फ कंडीशन क्या है? q should not be equal to 0. अगर q 0 होता है, सपोज p अपॉन q ये आपका रैशनल नंबर है, p है आपका 3, q है आपका 0, तो एनीथिंग अपॉन 0 इज व्हाट? इन्फिनिटी. Anything upon 0 is what? Infinity. That's why this condition is very important, that q should not be equal to 0. Now in class 7th we have studied the different operations performed on rational numbers. We had performed 4 operations on rational numbers, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, these 4 operations we have performed on rational numbers in class 7th. Now first of all, in class 8 also we will perform these 4 operations, but despite of this we will study some new properties of rational numbers. Okay, first of all we will study the classification of rational numbers. Okay, rational numbers are mainly classified in 2 types. पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर होता है या फिर नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर होता है. ओके, नाउ यू कैन सी ऑन योर स्क्रीन all the values on the right side of the 0 are positive rational numbers, and all the values on the left side of the 0 are negative rational numbers. Okay, this picture on your screen is representing the number line. Okay, the middle portion is of 0. Okay, right side में positive rational number, left side में negative rational number. So we will understand the definition of positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. Okay, so you can see here the values on this side are called as positive rational numbers, and the values on this side, left side, are called as negative rational numbers. Okay, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to infinity, positive infinity, are positive rational numbers, and this 0 is neutral. Okay, it is not positive also and not negative also. Okay, and the left side values, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 up to minus infinity, are all negative rational numbers. Okay, now we will understand the definition of positive rational number. A positive rational number is said to be positive if its numerator and denominator are both positive or both negative. Okay, पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर के लिए क्या कंडीशन है, डिनोमिनेटर और न्यूमरेटर बोथ शुड बी पॉजिटिव और बोथ शुड बी नेगेटिव. नाउ सी हियर, सपोज 7/11 दिस इज योर रैशनल नंबर. अभी दोनों भी पॉजिटिव है, दिस इज +7 एंड दिस इज +11. सो अल्टीमेटली दिस रैशनल नंबर इज व्हाट, पॉजिटिव रैशनल नंबर. Ultimately this number is positive rational number. Now we will see another example of both negative values like -17/-19. Okay, so अभी ये माइनस माइनस दोनों जगह पे कैंसिल हो जाएगा. That's why this is also a positive rational number. This is also a positive rational number. So what is the definition of positive rational number? A number is said to be positive if its numerator and denominator are both positive or both negative. Okay, now next is negative rational number. A rational number is said to be negative if its numerator and denominator are of opposite signs. Like for example, you can see here -7/11. ओके, ये p/q फॉर्म में है, नो डाउट. सो दिस इज अ रैशनल नंबर. ओके, p/q फॉर्म में है, इस वजह से इट इज अ रैशनल नंबर. अभी क्या नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर का डेफिनेशन क्या है, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर अपोजिट साइन चाहिए. लाइक यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर इज नेगेटिव एंड डिनोमिनेटर इज पॉजिटिव, बोथ आर हैविंग अपोजिट साइंस, सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज अ नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर. अनदर एग्जांपल इज व्हाट, अनदर एग्जाम्पल इज 17/-19. यहाँ पे न्यूमरेटर पॉजिटिव है और डिनोमिनेटर नेगेटिव है, यानी क्या है, दोनों अपोजिट साइंस है. न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर का अपोजिट साइंस है. सो सच नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड एज नेगेटिव रैशनल नंबर्स. ओके, नाउ वन मोर कंसेप्ट इज रिक्वायर्ड, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. अभी स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म हम किसको बोलते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 22/6, ये आपका रैशनल नंबर है. तो इसको आपको लोवेस्ट फॉर्म में रिड्यूस करना है, तो उसको हम स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में है ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. ओके, सो 22 को अगर मैं 2 से डिवाइड करूँ तो इट विल बिकम 11 एंड 6 को अगर मैं 2 से डिवाइड करूँ तो इट विल बिकम 3. सो दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ दिस रैशनल नंबर. लोएस्ट फॉर्म में किसी भी रैशनल नंबर को रिड्यूस करना है, यानी स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में वो रैशनल नंबर को अरेंज करना है. ओके, so this all concepts are required for your first exercise. Now in the next video we will start the first exercise of this topic, rational number. Okay, so if you are having any doubt, you can comment me your doubts in the comment section. Okay, so that I will be able to clarify your doubts and clear your doubts. Okay, thank you.